everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into a brand new skincare line. It's natural, it's healing, and sustainable. I've been using these products for the last several weeks and I can't wait to share my results with you. Now this skincare line contains CBD, and guess what? We are going to dive into ingredients. We're going to dive into what are the benefits of using CBD oil and how is it going to help you with your skincare. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. I like to see if a product works for our mature skin, so if this type of content interests you, please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. So today is a real treat. I'm testing out a brand new skincare line from Ndulge Earth. Now what's so special and unique about this company is that they literally reached out to me, and instead of just talking through email, we actually talked on the phone. I got to know them super well and understand their mission. Now this company is natural, it's healing and sustainable, and of course the big draw to me was using CBD oil in their ingredients. Let's get into the products. We've got everything from marula oil to a body souffle and a hydrating facial cream. There's also this super cool natural pain relief spray, but we're gonna get to that in just a minute. The first product I want to talk to you about is their marula oil. It is 100% pure organic marula oil. It's concentrated of monosaturated fatty acids and natural antioxidants that imitate the outermost layer of skin. This allows skin to absorb the oil without leaving any residue. It's infused with the healing properties of CBD, and your skin will experience vitality and radiance while reducing inflammation and restoring balance. First of all, the packaging is absolutely stunning, and I think the word indulge is the perfect name for their company. You can see how beautifully handcrafted each product is. You can tell that there is so much love and so much care that's invested in these products, and you can just feel the luxury of these products when you just look at them and pick them up. What does it do? It repairs visible signs of aging, it regenerates new skin cells, shrinks pores and skin inflammation, fades age spots and scars, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and it contains 1,000 milligrams of premium CBD. Now you do get 2 ounces, and it's such a stunning design. I love how it has a wooden component, and as you can see, it comes out with a medicine dropper. What I typically like to do with this particular product, I literally put it on my neck, on my décolletage, and on my face at night. It quickly absorbs into my complexion and it does not feel greasy. Now, like I said, I use this all over my décolletage and onto my complexion at night, and because there's CBD in it, guess what? CBD also relaxes you and helps with your sleep. I totally need it because I'm going through menopause and I literally wake up at least 4 to 5 times every night and can't sleep. I've been getting much more sleep these days ever since I started using these products. The ingredients, the list is super short. It contains 100% pure virgin organic marula oil obtained through fair trade, premium CBD isolate, vitamin E, elderberry, and natural fragrances. Some of the benefits of using CBD on your skin include powerful antioxidants, like I said, improves your sleep, and anti-inflammatory agents that can help treat conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, and acne. CBD oil is a great option for all skin types, not just mature skin, okay? So let's talk about the hydration face cream from Ndulge Earth. First of all, look at the packaging. Again, stunning. The wooden top and glass component. This also contains marula oil, macadamia nut oil, kukui nut oil, chia seed oil, sacha inki oil, plum oil, meadowfoam oil, rosehip oil, avocado oil, olive oil. I mean, it's just a plethora of wonderful natural ingredients. The first thing that I noticed instantly when I opened this up, and let's open her up. Oh my gosh, such a beautiful formula. It's so thick and creamy, but it's not greasy. And it smells so delicious. I can't even explain. It smells like an almond cookie. I use this every single night. It just blends into my complexion so effortlessly, and I can feel it hydrating throughout the evening. And of course, when it has those CBD properties, It's lights out for me. I literally sleep so much better when this is on my face at night. So it's beautiful. It makes my complexion soft. It makes my pores look even smaller. And in the morning, I wake up with such fresh looking skin. When you combine this with the MARULE Miracle Oil, it's an extraordinary combination for aging skin. Now, you know I'm 53 years old and I have been negligent of taking care of my skin right after I had my daughter. And I just recently started, perhaps in the last couple of years. And I'm telling you, I have seen a huge improvement on my complexion. Not only is it healing, I know exactly where the ingredients are coming from, and I know exactly what it contains. My skin has never felt so soft and so supple and bouncy. Like, hello, my skin's starting to bounce again. I mean, some parts of my body is good that bounce, particularly my cheeks, especially my cheeks. The benefits of this, it contains all natural vitamins for the skin. It's ideal for acne prone skin. It repairs aging skin. It leaves skin youthful and vibrant, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and it naturally contains vitamin C and vitamin E and flavonoids. Now this is actually infused with 50 milligrams of CBD isolate, infused with premium CBD, and you get 2 ounces. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, I absolutely love it. Now, I'm saving the best for last. Ndulge Earth's Body Souffle. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this body souffle. I've been testing out a lot of moisturizers because it's starting to get cold here in Tennessee. When I first received this, the first thing I did was literally just tear it open and I couldn't wait to test it out. Again, with the same unique packaging with the wood and the N embossed in there. I mean, it's gorgeous. The first thing I noticed immediately was the scent. It smells like an almond cookie. Look how much I've used. Like I told you, I'm obsessed with it. And the first thing I did was take some out. It's so light, so whipped, so beautiful and airy. It's not greasy at all. And I immediately noticed with some body souffles, with some moisturizers, you feel hydrated for like the first hour. And then all of a sudden you feel dry again. But it just glides into my dry skin. I mean, I've got dry skin. I do, especially on my arms. But you can feel it. Look how beautiful and glossy this is on my skin. It just immediately melts into my skin. It just feels so luxurious and it smells so delicious. I wish I had smell-o-vision. Yeah, and look at my dry elbows. Look at that. Beautiful. This also contains all those wonderful ingredients. It's supposed to diminish age spots, repairs skin imperfections, it fights skin disorders like psoriasis, eczema, and acne, and it reverses the signs of aging. Of course, it's vegan, it's all natural, and it has 21 amino acids, omega-3 and 6, and fatty acids. You guys, this is the epitome of luxury. I love putting the body souffle on my hands at night and literally just smelling the aroma of the almond oil is just so soothing and so relaxing. No wonder I'm getting such great sleep these days. And also what's cool about this body souffle, it does help with aches and pains. When I get out of the shower, I immediately put it onto my legs, around my knees, because I tend to get really dry around my kneecaps. I know, you too? And I'm not getting any younger. I used to be a professional ballet dancer and I put my body through a lot of pain. I'm still feeling that pain of what my body went through. And what's amazing about the body souffle is that you can actually feel some of the healing properties in this body souffle. So it's not like just a moisturizer. It's actually helping my creaky old joints and my slight aches and pains. This has helped me with the reduction of pain and absolutely love the body souffle. Oh, it smells so good. I want to talk about the natural pain relief spray. Okay, may not be a beauty product, but when you have pain and achy joints, this is a fine mist that you can spray and you can smell the eucalyptus in it. Ooh, yeah you do. This is ideal if you do sports, if you run, you literally just spray it onto the affected area and it provides such a boost of coolingness and heat at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed my review of Ndulge Earth's skincare products. You guys, the benefits and the results are beautiful, the packaging is stunning, and they're just a wonderful company to support natural, they're healing, and they're sustainable. And that's something that's near and dear to my heart. But in my next upcoming video, it's back to makeup, baby. I'm going to be revealing what I got on my VIB Sephora sale, and I can't wait to share that with you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And for more videos on skincare, check out these videos up here. And for more foundation reviews, check this out over here. But for now, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.